Wajinga nyinyi.
In the lush, affluent gardens of Karen, Nairobi, Deputy President Kithure Kindiki hosted a group of Mount Kenya musicians. On the surface, it was billed as a conversation about how government can support the music industry. But beneath the smiling photos and warm handshakes lies a deeper, more troubling reality. The Mount Kenya region, rich in culture, talent, and deep musical history, is once again being summoned, not for empowerment, but for political spectacles. Behind the glazing of current meetings, the truth is stark. Most of these musicians go back to regions where infrastructure is broken, creative hubs are unfunded, and talent is wasted. Is this engagement about building an industry, or is it a quiet recruitment drive for political messaging wrapped in the promise of support? Mount Kenya's music industry deserves more than the smells and tea in Karen. They deserve policy, investment, and respect, not to be weaponized in political chess games. Art is not a campaign tool, culture is not a vote bank, and Mount Kenya's talent is not for sale.
Si mnajua nyinyi voters ndio washenzi. Kwani mjui mdomo yangu ilibatizwa na wakongwe. So nashanga mbona akili zenyu time ya kura zinajanga shonde.